Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Brian with Team JTRSPARTACUS. So there's a lot of opinions and conjecture online about 488 versus 513 gears. So actually I was engaged in some of that on the Jeep Gladiator forum, and there was a guy on there, Blake, who gonna give a shout out because he's collaborating with me today on this. But basically we had some discussion, and he has 488 gears and 37-inch tires and a manual Rubicon, or a manual Gladiator, and I have a manual Gladiator. So we decided, hey, let's compare 513 gears and 37-inch tires from 488 to 513. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to check out some of the differences or the sameness of them and let you kind of know. This will be real world testing. 513s, which I have in JTRSPARTACUS, and Blake has 488s. We both have 37-inch gears. We've both corrected our speedos. You know, there's not scientific, it's real world, but pretty good. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Check out Blake on IG. I'll share his stuff, his Instagram profile below. And please check out JTRSPARTACUS on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. Okay, I'm in fourth gear going 60 miles an hour, and just sort of a check on gears compared to the 488s, which we'll do a side-by-side and comparison. Not exactly scientific, but I'm just under 3,000 RPMs, 60 miles an hour, pretty flat, fourth gear, towing gear. So that's what I got.
Speed dog shift knob. This is 488s on 37s. I'm in fourth gear, the tow gear. This is for the towers. Sorry, a little bumpy there. I'm not a good videographer here. There's what I'm towing my little trailer at all the time. It's a good power range there for what I pull.
So here I am, 65 in fourth gear, and just a little over 3,000 RPMs. And I'm going up a hill, so it's going to level out here a little bit, but 65 miles an hour, fourth gear. This would be good for like towing and stuff. And then I think we can check out the oil. Looks like the oil PSI is going up at 65 to about 79 PSI. So that might be the difference for some of you folks, comparing to Blake's side-by-side there. So you do see we got about 79 PSIs.
I'm gonna bump her up to 65 miles an hour in the same gear, fourth gear. And this is often where I'm towing, it's right in here. Good power at 3,000 RPM, and it's just below where the oil pressure jumps up to the 72 PSI. You go much higher than this in terms of speed, and then you bring the RPM up, and there it goes.
Hill, but 60 miles per hour in sixth gear, and we've got about 2,100 RPMs. We are going up a hill a little bit, but using cruise control to try to get this as clear as I can. See if it levels off a little bit. It's starting to level off a little bit. Probably. Pretty level here. It's just about the same, about 2,000, 2,100 RPMs.
Now we're gonna go to 6th gear here. 6th gear, 2,000 RPM at 60 mile an hour.
In 6th gear,
Now we're gonna go to 6th gear here.
and we've got about 2,100 RPMs. We're going up a hill a little bit,
6th gear.
but using cruise control to try to get this as clear as I can.
At 60 mile an hour.
Okay, here we are going 70 miles an hour, about 2,500 RPMs in 6th gear. So that gives you an idea of 70 on the 513s and 37-inch tires.
There's 70 mile an hour, 6th gear. Let's keep rocking. 70 mile an hour, 6th gear.
Okay, here we are going 70 miles an hour,
Rocking.
about 2,500 RPM. Let's see where we are. Looks like we're about going up a little bit of a hill, but 2,600 RPMs or so. Then I got a vehicle in front of me, but I want to take it up to 80 and see what we can do once I get that vehicle clear. Here we are at 80 in 6th gear. And what is it, about 2,700 RPMs or so? So that's what we've got for 80 miles an hour.
75 miles an hour, 6th gear. Right on, 2,500 RPM. Let's get her up to 80. There's 80 mile an hour. Whatever that RPM is. 6th gear, 488s and 37s.
So there you have it, 513 versus 488. You decide, your mileage may vary. I'm very happy with my 513s. I think Blake is happy with his 488s. You know, vanilla, chocolate ice cream. Everybody can make a choice. It's gonna work out for you depending on what you do. I tow off-road. I'm digging the 513s, very happy with it. So, hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. And please stay tuned to the channel, hit the notification bell to get the notification of when we do the center force install, impressions, hill test, all of that stuff's coming up. Thanks for watching. See you on the trails.